Hi, I'm Claire, and I want to tell you about my family. I have 2 brothers called Jeremy and Luke, but no sisters. My dad is called Will, and my mum is Muriel. My grandparents are Will's mum and dad, and they are Tom and Edith. Last year they celebrated their 50th wedding anniversary. Did they celebrate with a big party? No, they didn't. They decided to have a small party with few relatives and friends. I have an uncle called Jack, who is Dad's brother, and an aunt called Liz. They have 2 girls called Mary and Sylvia. They are my cousins.
Here is Will's family tree. Can you see where he is on the tree? He is next to Muriel because they are husband and wife. They have 3 children, Jeremy, Claire, and Luke. So Claire has 2 brothers, but Jeremy and Luke only have 1 sister. Will's brother is Jack, and he is married to Liz. Liz is Will's sister-in-law. Their children, Mary and Sylvia, are Jeremy, Claire, and Luke's cousins. Will and Muriel are Mary and Sylvia's uncle and aunt. All the cousins have the same grandparents, Tom and Edith, who are Will and Jack's parents. So how many children do Tom and Edith have? They have 2 sons, Will and Jack. They don't have any daughters, but they have 2 daughters-in-law and they have 5 grandchildren.